Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to add decimals. Now, if you're able to add whole numbers, you're going to be able to add decimals. Just a couple of different things as far as setting up the problems go. If you get how to set up the problems, you're going to be good to go. Let's jump into our examples and start with number 1, where we have 18 4/10 plus 6 72/100. So when we set these problems up, we want to make sure that we line our decimals up. That's going to line up all of our places. So number 1, we're going to do 18 4/10 plus 6 72/100. Notice how the decimals are lined up. Now it may look a little offset there, but we can use placeholder zeros to better align this and make it look a little more organized. Meaning 18 4/10, we can put a 0 in the hundredths place. That way we look a little more lined up. Remember, zeros to the right of a decimal do not change the value. That's an equivalent decimal, so we are able to do that. We're not changing the value of the problem. Once we have that, we add. Start with the hundredths place. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Then we move to the tenths place. 4 plus 7 is 11. So put our 1 and regroup or carry there. Now bring our decimal straight down. It's lined up throughout the entire problem. Now we add the ones. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 6 is 15. Regroup or carry the 1. Now we add the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 25 12/100. To recap, as far as where we put the decimal in our answer, the decimal should be lined up throughout the entire problem, so we bring it straight down. Now, before I move on to number 2, I do want to mention a common mistake, and that's going to be lining the digits up. Meaning, for number 1, it would look like this. 18 4/10 plus 6 72/100. So 3 digits lined up with 3 digits. So you can see that the decimals are not lined up. Therefore, our places are not lined up, and we're not going to place the decimal correctly in our answer. So this is going to give us something completely incorrect and is a common mistake. So avoid just lining the digits up. Make sure you have the decimals lined up. Now it is possible that you line the decimals up and then the digits line up as well. Most important part being the decimals are lined up. Let's try another example and move on to number 2, where we have 55 909 thousandths plus 23 3/10. So first step, line up our decimals. So 55 909 thousandths plus 23 3/10. So we can use placeholder zeros to line this up a little better. So we can place some zeros to the right of 23 3/10. Remember, zeros to the right of a decimal do not change the value. That's an equivalent decimal, so we can do that. Our last step, we add. So 9 plus 0 is 9. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 3 is 12. Regroup or carry the 1. Our decimal comes straight down. Then we add the ones. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9. And then we end with the tens. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So our final answer, 79 209 thousandths. So there you have it. There's how you add decimals. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.